Okay, so a little DIY. So on the computer, I designed how I want the frames on this wall on top of my desk area. And then I'm gonna quickly print them out and test it out before I buy the frames. So I'm gonna print actual size and then print. So I have everything printed out. Oh, they look so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly just cut out the pictures on the border because that's gonna be the size of the frames. I have two different sizes, the 8x10 and the 5x7, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my little gallery. I think it looks really nice. So yeah, I think I am gonna set my order for the frames. The cheapest ones that I could find were at Michael's. So I'm gonna get them there and hopefully I can pick up by tomorrow and then have everything framed. So I know it's a little bit more above the computer, but I'm still waiting for my desk and the little like stand thing for the computer, so it should be like 4 inches higher and then it should look nice. But yeah, this is what I have so far. And let me quickly show you what I'm working on for my little vanity section right here. I found another cute little fashion sketch from the same brand. I'll link it down below. She's an Etsy store. She has really beautiful fashion illustrations, super cute for your room. This is the one that I'm gonna buy to get printed because it's bigger. It's gonna be like a 21x28 inch poster thing. And yeah, I just wanted to cover, I wanted to cover all of that section, so I'm going with the bigger poster for that wall. And I'm telling you guys, pretty good deal for a 22x28 for 25 bucks because I've seen it on Amazon for more than, I think the cheapest one is like $30 35 or something like that. So I'm taking this, and so I already have my other frames, the 8x10 and the 5x7. So yeah, they're having a sale right now. I'm gonna purchase and hopefully I can pick up tomorrow. Okay, so it's been a couple days, but I finally had time to go pick up my order for the frames, and we're gonna finish this little DIY. So here's the final look, I guess. So yeah. So I have, she designed a life she loved. She's building her empire, dream, plan, and do. And yeah, I love it. I am so happy. So I'll link the stores for like the artwork ones down below, and then for the text ones I made myself, so I'll put a file on my blog for you to be able to download. Hopefully I can do that on there. But yeah, and then also to go with like the theme of that, I bought that one as well in the same shop, and I put it as part of my desk wallpaper, and I think it looks cute. Really cute. And again, I think I already told you guys this, but I am waiting for my little computer stand. So once I get that, it's going to be 4 inches higher. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video as I continue working on my room. So yeah, bye guys.